LCM today, LCM. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Here also we can solve this LCM in two ways. That is directly by finding common multiples, and one more way also there, that is we do regularly. Least common multiple. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. For example, taking one example, LCM, least common multiple of LCM of 12 and 18 I am going to find. Okay, for 12 and 18 I am going to find least common multiple. I told you about highest common factor, HCF. I told you already. Yesterday we completed that HCF, and this is LCM. How we can find LCM of these two, that is least common multiple. First write all multiples of given numbers. For 12, what is the multiple? 12 equal to, we can write 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. We can write like that. And 18, 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54, 18 4 ja 72, 18 5 ja, how much? 18 5 ja 90, 18 6 ja, what about 18 6 ja 108, and 18 7 ja plus 18 you have to add, that is 126. Okay, so on. See, I am continuing this 12th table. 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84, so on you will get. These are called the multiples of given numbers. Here what? Common multiple, it should be least. First of all, check how many common multiples we have here. 12 no, 24 no, 36. 36 is one common multiple. Then continue, 48 no, 60 no, 72. 72 also one more common multiple. And after that you will get one more. What you will get after 12 is 7 ja, 12 8 ja 12 9 ja, you will get 108. That is 108, you will get 108 somewhere. 96 108. So this 108 also common multiple. Okay, in this way we will get common multiples, but he is asking least common multiples. First I am writing common multiples. Common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108, so on. You will get 13 table, 36 table, 36 1 ja, 36 2 ja, 36 3 ja, 36 4 ja, like that. In all these common multiples, what is the least? That is the answer. The least common multiple is 36. So 36 is the answer. In this way, we can find the LCM of given any two numbers. Understand? Any two numbers. We can find LCM of any two numbers. This is the process. See, this is one method, and one more method also there. What is that method? Yeah, see, I will explain you by taking one more question. Example 2. What is that second question? LCM of 24 and 90. Now we'll take three numbers this time. Already 2 digits, 2 numbers question completed. Na? Then I will take three numbers. Some 40, 48, 45. See, by using the previous method, you have to know the multiples. Like this, you have to write the multiples for 40. 40 table you have to know, 48 table you have to know, 45 table you have to know. So it is little bit difficult comparing that. That's why what is the second method? So here the second method is what? See, yes. First write the factors. Factors of 45. First 40, na? For 40 and then 48 and then 45. So what are the factors of 40? Prime factors we have to write. What are the prime factors? 2 into 20, again 2 into 10, again 2 into 5. These are the prime factors. And again 2 into 24, again 2 into 12, again 2 into 6, again 2 into 3. Again, this is what 2, this is not possible. With 3 we have to start. 3 into 15, again 15 means 3 into 5. These are the prime factors for each given number. How we can find the least common multiple? We are writing here factors, but we are going to find multiple, common multiple, least common multiple. How we can find? Yeah, see here. First, you have to check in every number factors. Here 2 3 times, 5 1 time. Here 2 4 times, 3 1 time. Here there is no 2. First you check the 2, number 2. How many times? I mean, where you got maximum times. Maximum times where you got, that is we have to consider. Here we got 4 times. Here you got 3 times. So consider this 4 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And after that, go for 3. And where you will get 3 maximum times. Here 1 time, here 2 times. So consider this 3 into 3. After 3, what is the remaining number? 5. 5. Maximum and minimum only 1 time. That is consider here or here, whatever it is, no problem. I'm taking here 3. Now multiply all these numbers, you will get LCM of 40, 48, 45 is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So which is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, 48 3 ja 120, 140, 144, 144 3 ja 720. So here the LCM is what? 720. 720 is the least common multiple. To check this is correct or wrong, you can divide with 40 and 48 and 45. It will be clearly cancelled. For 40, 48, 45, you will get the LC. The remainder is 0. So this is one more method. And the third method, what? The third method we use maximum. What is the third method? Example 3. What is it? LCM of 20, 25, 30. Then we take like this. We use maximum 20, 25, 30. We should take prime factors. from minimum. 2 is the minimum. 2 10 ja 25 as it is. 2 15 ja. Again with the 2 2 5 ja 25 as it is. 15 as it is. Now start with 3 or 5. That's your wish. I'm taking 3. 3 5 ja 25 as it is. 5 as it is. Now take 5. 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 5 1 ja. Again with 5. 5 1 ja 5 and remaining same. Therefore, LCM of 20, 25, 30 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So how much you will get? That is the answer. So this equal to 5 to the 10 and 5 3 ja 15 to the 30, 13 to 10, 300. This is the LCM. See, for this question, I'm using the previous method. That is what 20. 2 into 10. Again 2 into 5. 25. This is not possible with 2, na? Not possible with 3 also. And 5 5 ja. And 30. This we can write 2 into 15. That is 3 into 5. LCM. I told that where you will get the maximum times of the number you have to consider. Here you have 2 times of 2. Here you have 2 times of 2. There is no 2 times or more than 2 times. So 2 into 2 into, again go for 3. Only 1 3 is there. That is 3. Again go for 5. Here you have 2 times of 5. So that is into 5 into 5. Finish. See, 2 2 times, 5 2 times, 1 3. 2 2 times, 5 2 times, 1 3, which is equal to 300. So whatever it is, you can use the method, you will get the same. And see, we will solve by using this method. That what? Common multiples. So 20, 25, 30, na? 20, method 1. 20, 20 table, 21 ja, 22 ja, 23 ja, 24 ja, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, so on. 160, 180, 200, continuing, 220, 240, 260, 280, yeah, 280, 300, 320, so on. Why I wrote up to 320? Already we know the LCM is 300, no? That's why. And after 20, 25 I'm taking. 25 1 ja 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, so on. And after 25, 30 I'm taking. 31 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, yeah, 180. And then 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, so on. So if you observe, we need to find what? Least common multiple. What is the common multiple here? The starting common multiple is the least common multiple. See, 300, 300, 300. Before 300, you will not get any common multiple. You can check. So that's why LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 300. So this is the solution. And these are the methods to find the LCM of the given numbers. The question is what? In a morning walk, three persons are off together, step off together. They went for walking. Their steps measure 80 centimeters. When they are walking, if they started from here onwards, they will walk like this. This is the first step for first person. For second person, first step, this is the first step. And for third person, this is the first step. So like this, they are walking. 85 centimeter, 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? What is the minimum distance? Means he is asking where they will meet again in the minimum time. So when they ask like minimum, you have to find LCM, remember. Okay. So very simple that if you find LCM, you will get the solution. LCM of 80 centimeters, 85 centimeters, 90 centimeters is the solution. Therefore, you can solve in your own method out of three methods: 80, 85, 90. And we can start with what? 240 ja, 85, 245 ja. Again, 220 ja, 85, 45. Again, you can start with 5 also, no problem, Nana. 210 ja, 85, 45. 25 ja, 85, 45. 5 1 ja, 5, 85. 85 means 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. 5 1 ja 5, and remaining what? 35. 5 7 ja, that is 17. And 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 13. 5 9 ja, 45. So 5 we can't again do with 5, then come with what? 9 or 17, and 9 I'm taking 1 comma 17 comma 1, 9 1 ja 9, and 17 1 1 1. So what is the LCM? Therefore LCM of 80 comma 85 comma 90 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 9 into 17, which is equal to how much? 12240. So 12240 centimeters. Okay. So this is the answer. So when you are reading the question, you should understand what is asking. Otherwise, you can't solve the questions. I will send today some questions in this method. I mean, in this format. You have to solve, and tomorrow you have to explain what questions you will solve today. You have to explain tomorrow in the class. Remember. So this is about LCM.